Welcome to the weekend. I'm Jessica Peterson of theguamguide.com. Big Beat Guam hosts the Back to School Bash on August 10th at Guam Plaza Hotel. Local DJs will be spinning and battling it out on stage. Plus, there will be prize giveaways and live music. Get details on our site. Ready, Set, Snorkel is a free water event at Fisheye Marine Park on August 18th. Dive masters, biologists, and rescue divers will help participants snorkel safely and learn about the marine life on Ah-Cheng Reef Flat. The 2012 Fishing Derby for Kids will take place on August 4th. Get registration details on the Guam Guide. Guam Running Club will also hold the 27th Tsunami 5K run on August 4th. Find out more on our site. Have you tried hashing? Well, what about zorbing? If you're craving an adrenaline rush, you'll want to read our 10 activities for adventure lovers. From skydiving to diving with sharks, we tell you how and where to go for adventure. Also check out our top 10 spots for family fun. From waterfalls to dolphin watching to an indoor playground, we recommend activities for children of all ages. Be sure to read our top 10 happy hour spots to find the best drink specials and live music on Guam. Browse our site for everything you want to know about Guam. You can even connect with your Facebook page, leave comments, and rate local businesses. From hotels to food to events, the Guam Guide is the island's most unique source of entertainment news. Enjoy the weekend. I'm Jessica Peterson.